Friends, welcome. On today's video, I am doing a DIY Dollar Tree challenge with Miss Melissa from Buckeye Girls and Reefing Things. Come join us on this collab. I hope you enjoy. Today's DIY is an inspiration from Pinterest and even Etsy. And I see on there how they make pizza pan door wreath, or someone might be wood door wreath. So I decided to make a farmhouse wreath from a pizza pan. And these are my supplies. So as I start this, I want to take this outside with my chalk paint to coat this with a white coating. When I started, I almost forgot that it just needed the edge because I have a Dollar Tree mat. So all I have to do is really wait for this to dry and cut it. So here is my project that I'm working on today. And I got this mat from the Dollar Tree, and this is the first time I've seen this one. And it says, "Love builds a happy home." And that is so true. So I choose to do this one, guys, because not only do we want a clean, organized home, but we want love and peace in our home. Love must begin at home. Charity begins at home. So let's keep the peace with one another and love one another. Let's keep that love. So guys, let's get back to this DIY. So I decided to try to trace it out a little bit. And that's, like I said, this is the first time I'm doing this. So I wanted to try to find something that wasn't difficult, but very easy. You know, I'm still learning a lot with this DIY. This is easy to do, the cutout part, but like I said, it's going to take a little process because I have to trim around it. And you want to turn your pizza pan upside down. Well, I choose to turn it upside down. I like it better like that. And just trim it to the close of the top of the pan, not on the edge, because I'm going to put nautical rope on the edge of this pan. Now, like I said, guys, this is going to take a little process. I'm going to tell you a little bit about my day. Today, I was really busy. I finally got a chance, guys, to take down my Christmas tree. So I was doing some videos. I am going to be coming this year, if the Lord said the same, with more home cleaning, taking care of your home videos. Because that's why I chose this sign, to be honest with you. Because love in a home does build a happy home. And friends, I want to remind you, next Friday is the Teal Tray. This is first of the year for the Teal Tray monthly Teal Tray challenge. It is on next Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern. And I would love for you to join. You can decorate however you desire. I'm not picky, guys. Whatever your style is, have fun with it. And also, Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reef and Things. This is her first collab, guys. So I'm asking you to please support her on the next month because she's doing a DIY monthly challenge. And you can choose any Dollar Tree to do your challenge. It doesn't matter. So I hope that you join these. I thank y'all so much for joining. When you start to glue this, I glue it with some Gorilla Glue. Make sure most of all that you glue it around the edges. I just put some in the middle, but I started doing it around the edges because you really didn't need too much in the middle, just a little bit. So I said, well, let me try to do the edge. And doing the edge is a whole lot better. So try to cut it, your table mat, as close to the line of the shape of the back of the piece of pan or inside as close as you can. Because like I said, what I'm doing with mine is adding a rope so it will hide the imperfections of it. And as you cut your rope to the shape, when you begin to glue your rope down, pull it as tight as you can. Not too tight, but as tight as you can. And it seems to fit and look better. I hope that you guys are enjoying this, and I hope you like it. I'm going to be honest with you guys. This part here was a failure. I had too much lamb's ear and I glued these things down. And when I tried to take them off, it was real hard. But I found a trick to get all that glue off. I used fingernail polish remover. That's right. It took the glue off. Now it just depends on what type of material you're using because you cannot use it on everything. I love black and white bowls. This bowl I got from Michael's on a Christmas sale. So this is the only black and white bowl that I had. So I wanted this to look farmhouse style. So I ended up using this. Now this technique I'm doing, I really didn't have to do this, but I end up taking it off. So I'm doing a quick bowl, a simple bowl. I'm not here to teach you guys how to do a bowl because I'm bad with it. A good friend of mine has blessed me with a bowl maker. I just have to take time to allow her to teach me how to use it. So I am going to get it right, guys, after a while. after fighting that bull, after a while, I did get it right. I decided to take those lamb ears off because I didn't like the way it was looking. And I found out another thing is that they were too big and it was too much. So I just kind of cut them down and put them around my bow, and that kind of worked a whole lot better. So when doing this, remember, don't try to make it too full, but just a little greenery, and that'll fit it perfectly. And I did find some other little greenery to add to it to give it that little special push it needed. I hated that I had to cut my lamb's ear. I love my lamb's ear. I love my greenery. I always grab them. When I see them at Walmart, I grab them. And friends, if you are enjoying this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. It does help my channel. And also, if you're not a subscriber and you're new, I would love for you to join my channel. And don't forget to go back and subscribe to Melissa Buckeye Wreath Girls and Things. Her link will be in my description box. Thank you so much for all my faithful friends. Guys, this came out so beautiful. I'm telling you, I'm so glad that I decided to do this. And I decided to add some little tails to it to give it a little spontaneous look. And I just folded and cut the ends and just bend it up a little bit so it won't be on my words. And I even add a little more glue on my greenery because a part of the leaves was covering up the L. So all I'm doing here, guys, is just looking at it to see where I need to add or improve something. And overall, for my first time, it came out pretty good. So I thank God for that. So y'all tell me what y'all think. And all I'm doing here is just cleaning it up. I'm adding some nail polish remover to get the extra glue off. And it really does work. So be careful as you use this if you try this. Because like I said, it depends on the type of material that you're pouring this on. But on this kitchen mat, it works fine. Here's the final look, guys. Tell me what you think. I love it. It's farmhouse style to me. And this is my door. I had to open the door because it was night when I was doing this. But it came out so beautiful. And after I tried it on the door, I put it back inside the house. I'm going to have to make me another one of these for the door because I loved it inside my house, right beside my little truck. This is so perfect. So guys, what do y'all think? I hope that y'all like it, and I thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all have a blessed, prosperous day. Bye-bye from Penny.